Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through removing lines containing specific words from text files in Ubuntu using terminal commands. So these methods are essentially for data cleaning and log management. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first we will be using the safest method using the grep command. But first, let's open the terminal by pressing Ctrl+Alt and then T on your keyboard. That should open the terminal, as you can see right over here. Now let's write some data. So this is the text file that I created. Now just hit Enter. And now to check the text file, you can see the name of it right over here. So we simply paste the command, and then as you can see, this is the text file. And now once we have verified this, let's start with the method. So once you have verified the method, it's time to remove some lines. So the lines that we are going to remove are cat and rat. Now in the first method, just simply copy and paste the command that will be given to you in the description box below. So after copying the command from the description, let's simply paste it right over here. Now, as you can see, this is the command, and right over here, you will be able to see the name of the text file that I created. Now, for you, the name will be different, so whatever your text file name is, you have to enter that right over here. Now hit Enter. And now to see if it worked or not, just simply enter the next command, which you can find in the description box below, and then just hit Enter. And as you can see, the lines called cat and rat are gone, which you can see right over here. So this was the first method. Now let's try the second method. Now in the second method, before removing anything, the first thing is that you have to create a backup of your text file just in case. So just enter the prompt given to you in the description box below and paste it right over here. Now again, make sure to remove the text file name that is there and make sure to add your text file name right over here. Now just hit Enter. And once the backup is done, it's time to remove the lines. So just simply paste the command from the description box below. And as you can see, this is the command right over here. Again, make sure to change your text file name. Now just hit Enter and it should be done. Now let's see if it worked or not. So just simply enter the file name to verify it. And over here, just simply enter the next command. And then hit Enter. And as you can see, the lines have been removed, which you can see right over here. Now, if you ever want to get the original file back from the backup, you can also do that. So all you have to do is just simply paste the command from the description box below, which will be this one right over here. And then just simply hit Enter. And now if you check your text file, it should be right over there. So that's it. You have mastered the 2 ways to clean text files in Ubuntu's terminal. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.